Hi everyone. Welcome back to Well English. Today, we have a special guest, Alex. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Jessica. Thanks for having me.
It's great to have you here. So, Alex, can you tell us a bit about yourself?
Sure. My name is Alex, and I'm from Brazil. I'm a software engineer, and I love learning new languages.
That's fantastic. So, why do you want to speak English?
Well, English is such an important language globally. It's the international language of business, science, and technology. For my career in software engineering, speaking English opens up a lot of opportunities.
That's very true. Can you give us an example of how speaking English has helped you in your career?
Definitely. Last year, I worked on a project with a team from the United States.
Being able to communicate in English made it possible for us to collaborate effectively and complete the project successfully.
That sounds like a great experience. Besides work, are there any other reasons you want to improve your English?
Yes, I love traveling, and speaking English makes it so much easier to communicate with people from different countries. It also allows me to enjoy books, movies, and TV shows in their original language.
I completely agree. There's something special about experiencing content in its original language. What do you find most challenging about learning English?
For me, the hardest part is pronunciation. Some sounds in English don't exist in Portuguese. So it takes a lot of practice to get them right.
Pronunciation can be tricky, but you're doing great. Do you have any tips for our viewers who are also learning English?
Sure. My biggest tip is to practice speaking as much as possible. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, it's part of the learning process. Also, try to immerse yourself in the language by watching English movies, reading books, and listening to podcasts.
Those are excellent tips, Alex. Thank you so much for sharing your experience and advice with us.
You're welcome, Jessica. It was a pleasure to be here.
And thank you to all our viewers for watching. If you enjoyed this interview, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content from Well English. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Thanks for watching Well English. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and lesson. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Keep learning, keep improving, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.